Hey there, dense tables like this are exactly where it's easy to read the wrong row without noticing, and that's when we use focus mode. I agree, we already have crosshair to solve this problem, but focus mode is more like an icing to the crosshair. Let me show you why. Activate crosshair and turn on focus mode from the pill bar or through the shortcuts. Click this button. When the focus mode is on, everything outside your active row and column dims down, only what you're looking at stays bright. This is genuinely useful when you're auditing something, reading a crucial report, during a high-level review call, presentations, and a lot more. The focus mode works well even when the lanes are on. Let me drop a couple of lanes for your reference. Here you go. One last thing about the focus mode is that you can control the dim strength from the settings. Open settings, go to the workspace tab. Here you see dim strength. You can increase or decrease to control the dim. Next up on the lineup is freeze mode. This is yet again a powerful productivity tool. Before we get started, let me show you the problem it solves. This is a 20-page long document with headers only on the first page. Using freeze mode, you can freeze a specified selection. In this case, we are going to freeze the header. Go to pill bar and click on this snowflake button. Select the row header and CrossAim captures it as a floating panel. You can drag and reposition as required. I'm 100 rows down now, and that the header is still there, pinned exactly where I left it. Also note that this frozen window is just a snapshot and not a live link. That is, if the source data changes, the frozen panel won't update. You'll have to manually refreeze it again. Although Excel has its own inbuilt freeze panes, but it is limited only to Excel. CrossAim has extended a similar capability to not just Excel, but it works across any app and anywhere on your screen. Also, you can freeze a maximum of 3 regions per screen at a time. And if you're trying to freeze a fourth region, then the first region that you selected disappears automatically. Let me quickly show you that. So we have 3 screens now, and the moment I try to select the fourth region, the first region disappears and you'll get a pop-up at the bottom right corner of the screen. You see, you also get a pop-up here. It's not necessary that all 3 regions should be from the same app. Instead, you could draw the first selection from an Excel, second selection from a PDF, and third selection from any other app, could be a ERP or CRM. Essentially, you can use the freeze mode also as a static watch window. And that's a wrap up for freeze mode and focus mode.